So, hello, this is day 36 of 50 days communication marathon. And today's topic is about my personal goals. Okay, so let me just introduce myself. I am Prathamesh, as you all know. And today I'm going to share about my personal goals. Okay, so what I want to achieve and what I'm already working on. Okay, so let me just start. Okay, so uh, by means uh, one day when talking or when giving one interview, I got to know that my communication is not up to the point that I can share freely what I am thinking. Okay, so when I was communicating, I used to fumble a lot. Okay, and that's why the person who's listening to me uh, sometimes gets confused because I used to fumble a lot. Okay, right now I'm also doing that, but comparing that to day one or before that, uh, I the fumble part is now in is less. Okay, somewhat less. So that day I thought that I will work on my communication skills so that I can communicate to the person and share my thoughts clearly so that he can understand what I am thinking and what I am conveying to him, okay, or her. So that's why this is from my personal goal to come to improve my communication skill. Then I used to stretch my answers. Okay, so let's say for example, the interviewer asked me about a definition. So he just wanted to know the definition, but I used to give definition plus example, then the real time use, which is a lot time taking process. Okay, means to share that I the answer means one one sentence. uh, the interviewer required one sentence, I was giving a paragraph to him, like I am reading a paragraph to him. So that used to take a lot of time, and that's why some main topics used to dropped. Okay, because the technical interview has some time limit. If I touch some basic questions, means answer of the basic questions, so uh, the interviewer get bored. Okay, and that's why I got rejected a lot of times. Okay, so I'm also trying to improve on that part also. Then at the same time, I'm also learning Java and Java backend, okay, skills. So I'm also trying to become a better software engineer so that I can write clean code, optimized solution, give optimized solution, and uh, the one thing that is close to me that I wanted to create multiple softwares to help people. Okay, means it will be my uh, it will be my work to the society. So for doing that, I need to be a good software engineer. So that's why I'm trying to become better at what I'm doing currently. Then the thing currently I'm learning, that is Java. So i'm I'm working on building a strong foundation in Java, so that I can solely rely or say that I know, or I can do code in Java. So that's why I'm working on that. So these these are some of my goals, or some of the things that is going on my mind. Okay. Then, like, because there are like multiple things, like fumble part in my communication skill, then my stretching the answers, then some also I used to mix up some concepts because of the words. Okay. So there are a lot of things, and because of that things, sometime this feels like I'm getting it feels like I'm overwhelming. Okay. And that's why sometimes it is means sometimes it is hard for me, okay, to cope up with the things. Mm. As I told you, like, communicate with the next person, sharing my thoughts uh, clearly to the another person. This is the uh, means this is the one thing that I am wanting to achieve. So, when talking to someone, or doing mock interviews, or doing some interviews, I got to know that I can't express, means I don't able to express clearly myself. Like, uh, let's say there might be some word which I don't, means, recollect. Okay. Let's say I want to say something, and I I say something else. So I skip the part. So that also happens. So I got to know my uh, weakness in the communications, when while communicating. Okay. So this feels like, and these are my struggles when doing things, or these are my struggles for not cracking any interviews. Okay. So this 50 days communication marathon is helping me to uh, take it, or achieving my goal step by step, because it is a 50 days marathon, and i I have to be consistent. I have to be updated daily. There are total 50 topics every day. So first I need to understand, study, and then I need to uh, speak on that. So this is helping me to like, to able to communicate and share my thoughts. If I uh, do any mistake, I can re let's say restart from the starting point, because I want to create the video and then share the video uh, to my instructors. So that's why it is helping me a lot. to improve my communication skill. And because of that, my I'm practicing my communication skills daily. Like right now, I'm doing this conversation, or like telling what I truly think. Okay, and let's say from day one, if I recollect from my day one memory of this 50 days communication marathon, I see I'm becoming more confident when I'm speaking or telling something that I know. That's why it is impacting my communication and helping me to achieve my goal. So this is a positive thing which I have, let's say, which I have seen daily from my daily tasks. Okay, and that's it. And that's it for my today's topic. And I'm trying to do or like better myself step by step daily, improve my communication skills so that I can confidently clear my interviews. So thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And let me just end this session now. So thank you.